Hey guys, welcome back to the Permabear. I am Bronin, and we're on our October 24 live stream. And again, this is the Permabear where we shatter the dreams of the bulls and the degens out there. So yeah, if you like this content, please make sure to like, subscribe, share, do all of those stuff. And yeah, if you're on YouTube, just make sure to subscribe to the channel. It will really help a lot. And also, if you're on Facebook, follow. And yeah, you can join the conversation by chatting. And then if you have any comments about my insights, or if you have suggestions on tokens to discuss, then I'll be more than glad to discuss any such tokens, your favorite tokens, and I'll tell you when to sell and when the exact time to short your tokens. So yeah, so for those on Gate.io, thank you very much for being early today, and I hope you're enjoying your day, and I hope you're winning your trades, whether you have long positions or you have short positions. And yeah, we have seen some movements today, and we have lots of things to discuss. So let's check on. Let me pull up my checklist so that we will be guided on the things that we're going to discuss today. So we will discuss some news items. We're going to look at the stock market, and we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin ETF flow for today. And of course, we're going to review what happened the past week or so. And we're going to discuss the Fear and Greed Index, the RSI, MACD, and of course, on the last part of our live stream, we're going to check on some meme coins, the favorite topic of most crypto degens right now. And yeah, speaking of meme coins, we have seen some strong movements from certain meme coins lately. Okay, so yeah, along with of course AI tokens, the AI narrative is really very strong right now. So yeah, you guys make sure to follow me on Gate.io. If you don't have a Gate.io account yet, there's a link that I have on top, or there's a URL. Just go to that URL, bit.ly/_gate_io. Don't forget those underscores, okay? So yeah, just go there, sign up, and yeah, in most cases, or I think there's always promos for new users in Gate.io, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy those sign-up bonuses. And Gate.io actually gives out lots of airdrops, and yeah, when you sign up, that's one thing you can look forward to if you join Gate.io. Okay, so let's now proceed with our live stream. We're going to check on some news first. Let me pull up CoinDesk first. And while we're waiting, if you want me to give you a shout out, just put in your name in the comment section, and I'll be happy to greet you. Where's that button? So I'm just checking which news item to discuss. Okay, let's try this one first. Okay, so we see here Bitcoin slides to 66K. Ether drives 5% in market-wide sell-off. Okay, so this in this news item, just says Bitcoin slid below six. That I think Bitcoin slid to as low as 65,300. But let me check it. Okay, Bitcoin actually recovered today. Let's look at the 15-minute charts. So you see, just today, there's a huge pump here. Okay, just an hour ago, I think, or an hour or two ago, we saw this this pump. Okay, however, yesterday it dipped to as low as what's this, 65,256. So yeah, I think I said yesterday that I'm expecting Bitcoin to fall to the 65K level, and rightfully so. It did, and it hit a support at that point, and right now it seems to have recovered a bit. Okay, and there's some correction, of course, right now, and it's consolidating. So we're going to see, or we're going to check and observe if Bitcoin will continue its recovery, or if this is just a temporary rally before it falls even further. Because I have predicted yesterday or in previous days that I'm expecting Bitcoin to fall to around 62,000, the 60,000 level. So maybe from 62 to 62K to 62.5K. So those are the levels I'm estimating that Bitcoin will fall. So this could be just as I've said, a temporary relief rally, or you can say that this could be a bull trap as well. I've seen some. I think it's in Twitter. So I think someone said the bull run has started, or the bull run has begun. We'll see if he's right. So, but I still don't. I don't think that it's still time. It's already time, but let me check. Maybe in 3 more days. Okay, so 3 more days. I'm giving it 3 or 4 more days. Yeah, 3 or 4 more days, and if the bears do not win, if Bitcoin will not dip in 3 days' time, then I would say that Bitcoin may already be or may already have started to pump, and it could be the start of the bull run. What is the entry level for Bitcoin and ETH? Gulam Rabi. So thanks for your question, sir. So as I've mentioned, for Bitcoin, a good entry level, a good entry point is the 62,000, from 62,000 to 62,500. So you can probably set your entry point there if you want. Yeah. However, if you're a bull, if you believe that that Bitcoin is really about to make a run, okay, and if you already want to have exposure, then you can already buy some Bitcoin, or put some entry into Bitcoin. But I suggest that you prepare for staggered investment or staggered betting. If you're playing the futures, of course, your long bets, if you want to enter your long bet right now, just make sure you're ready to put in more bets in case Bitcoin dips further. So of course, nobody knows the bottom. It could be that Bitcoin has already started. It's climbed back up. Okay, my opinion, but in my opinion, it's still going to go down further. And if I were to bet on Bitcoin, I would probably wait for the 62,000 levels. Okay, so there are some macro factors, of course, and the charts also indicate that Bitcoin is still it still may fall down a bit further. Okay, so yeah, so that's a quick look at Bitcoin. So yeah, how about Ethereum? So let's check on Ethereum. Yeah, let's zoom in a bit on Ethereum. Yeah, I'll just do some quick charts here. Okay. So let's get the support zone here. Yeah, actually, right now, yeah, it's a good time to for Ethereum. I think that this is a good level to buy Ethereum already. So you can start accumulating Ethereum if you want. Okay, so for Bitcoin, as I've said earlier, you can probably wait 62,000 to 62,500, but for Ethereum, this could be a good starting. Yeah, you can start accumulating Ethereum. Ethereum has been dipped quite significantly, and yeah, over just recently it dipped considerably. Okay, so anyway, I hope that I have provided you a satisfactory answer, Gulam Rabi. If you have any other questions, please don't be shy and just keep sending your questions in. So yeah, Ethereum, this is a good price point to start accumulating. Even if it dips, I don't think it's going to dip by that much. Okay, but if it dips even below 25K, that's more reason to buy Ethereum. Okay, of course there are some FUD with Ethereum, and a lot of analysts have the opinion that Ethereum's narrative has been declining. Okay, however, we have to consider the fact that Ethereum, with all of the current people or current technologies and blockchains inside this ecosystem, it's not going to go anytime soon. So Ethereum is still a good investment, in my opinion. And this price point is still a good price point to enter this particular token. Okay, so let's look at the next. Let me just take a look at. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to the news that we were discussing. So cryptocurrencies fell today alongside the broader stock market among major tokens. Ether fared particularly poorly, falling 5%. Okay, the Sol ETH pair notched a new all-time high. So Solana is pretty strong right now, and we're going to take a look at it. Okay, and ETH BTC made new lows. So yeah, Ethereum is it's really weak right now, and well, of course, it's a cliche that everyone's saying, buy the dip. So I would certainly believe that this is the perfect time to enter Ethereum while everyone is selling. Okay. Okay, so top 20 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, including stable coins and exchange coins, was down 2.6% in the last 24 hours, with Chainlink, the worst performing, slumping 7.6%. The only project to buck the downtrend was Internet Computer, so ICP, which rose 1%. Okay, so yeah, this news item, of course, is a bit earlier when Bitcoin dipped to around 66K. So, but right now, as we've seen, Bitcoin has recovered a bit. Okay, and it's currently at. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it's loading 67,200. So yeah, from as low as 65,300, it has recovered quite significantly. And it actually reached 67,700 earlier. Or yeah, 67,600. So it's quite a big recovery, and we're going to discuss what pumped Bitcoin in a bit. Okay, so let me take a look at some other items that I have seen here before we go even further to the other items. So again, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe if you're on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, and if you're on Gate.io or Facebook, please follow. And of course, like, share, and do all of those stuff. I would really appreciate it a lot. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this item. So Solana hits record versus Ether, outperforms Bitcoin as AI meme coin frenzy and surging revenues fuel crowd. So Solana is quite strong at the time of the writing of this article. It's $167. So yeah, Bitcoin, Solana has been quite strong because of the meme coins in its ecosystem, and also some AI, yeah, some AI plays in that in the Solana ecosystem. So if you're into Solana, then congratulations, you have had a winning investment. Okay, so Solana has gained 11% the past week. Okay. Okay, so Bitcoin negative 2.5%, Ethereum negative 3.5%. So Solana has been quite strong. Okay, so let's take a look at other news items. Let me just check. Okay, let's check Git.io's news section. I think I saw one here earlier. Okay. Okay, so this one, let's take a look at this. Tesla's Q3 earnings report shows it has not sold any Bitcoin. So, Daily Planet, daily. According to the earnings report of TSL or Tesla in the third quarter, the company did not sell any Bitcoin in the quarter. So we've seen, I think we saw a news item sometime last week about this, and this report confirms that Tesla, based on its earnings report, or in its based on the earnings report, it did not sell any Bitcoin, which contradicts the fears last week that some people got fearful that Elon Musk is selling his Bitcoin. So this one seems that just a FUD, but of course we're really not sure if that will be true, because of course these people are expecting Bitcoin to reach all-time highs in the next few weeks probably, and that movement, that Bitcoin movement from Tesla, could be an indication that it's preparing to sell when as soon as Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high. So we'll see if our fears, or the fears of crypto players are really unfounded. But I really think that Elon Musk will sell some. Okay, so let's just go to our next item on our checklist, which is the stock markets. Let me just... So we need to take a pick. Just we need to consider it, since in some cases, or in most cases, Bitcoin's price seem to be affected by what's happening in the broader markets. Okay. Let's take a look at the U.S. Stock market last night first. Okay, so we see lots of red. So the most important thing really is the S&P. So S&P is um, almost -1%. Okay, Dow Jones fell 400 over 400 points. So this is really huge. Okay, and this may have contributed to Bitcoin dipping to that 65K level, as I've mentioned earlier. Okay, so yeah, yesterday's Euro market also very red. Okay, but today let's look at Asia. So yeah, Japan's stock exchange is is up a bit. Also Australia. Okay, but Hong Kong is down 1%, and China is down -0.65%. So let's check to see if there's any news item here. That's Asia markets mix after Wall Street extends declines. South Korea avoids technical recession. Tesla shares jump on profit beat. Musk's prediction of at least 20% vehicle growth next year. Okay. Bernstein names its top European stock picks. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so for today, the Asian markets are a bit mixed, but yeah. So let's see. Actually, I'm taking a look more on the Japanese stock market, because it seems like the Japanese market is the one really having a huge effect on the crypto markets. Any good news? I restart. The good news is Bitcoin has recovered a bit, of course, from a recent low of 65, I think 65.3 or 65.2, and it's now looking to be recovering and up to I think this is the price levels yesterday at the same time. I think when I live streamed yesterday, it was about this at about this price levels as well. So, but however, there are some indications that there are actually mixed signals or mixed indicators about Bitcoin, but I would still be inclined to believe that Bitcoin is still going to go down a bit. Okay, so just be careful. What is the trend of Bitcoin today? So as I've mentioned, it seems to have recovered a bit. This could be just a relief rally though, so you can you have to be careful. It could be a bull trap. Okay, there are still signs, or there are still indications that that Bitcoin may still go down a bit. Okay, so we have okay, welcome to the admin who just entered, and yeah, some gifts for you. So before you leave the live stream, make sure to claim your red packets, and of course, make sure to follow my channel before you leave as well. Okay, so we're now done discussing the stock market, or taking a look at the stock market, and this time we're going to take a look at the ETF flow. the Bitcoin ETF flow. Okay, so today we see that we have a positive, okay, plus 2.94K. So this is a net inflow, and I think I'm wrong. So yesterday I said that when we see a reversal of the pattern, there's almost always momentum. So since we saw a negative flow yesterday, I predicted that we're going to see another negative flow today. So however, we see BlackRock buying another 4.8K of Bitcoin yesterday. So Larry Fink is still accumulating heavily. And yesterday, I think we saw this as blank. Maybe they were not done buying yet yesterday. However, they seem to have accumulated 638 Bitcoin yesterday. But today, this is a huge accumulation, which I think explains, which explains the recovery of Bitcoin. So I'm not sure at which point Larry Fink or BlackRock accumulated. So it could be at this 65K zone. Okay, and so Bitcoin may have, Larry Fink may have accumulated at this point, or probably this point as well. So he may be the one who caused just this recent pump here. Okay, so let's erase this first. Okay. So that's for the ETF flow. We know that these huge institutions are the ones that's driving Bitcoin's prices right now, since retail investments are still not in the space. Okay, and of course, most analysts are in the opinion that retail will only come in when Bitcoin hits 100K. So at this point, below 100K, the institutions will be the ones to push Bitcoin's price upwards. Okay, and but today, I think only Larry Fink saved Bitcoin today with that 4.8K accumulation or acquisition of Bitcoin. Okay, so let's move on to our next item, which is the Fear and Greed Index. Let's see what levels we are in, or we are at right now. Okay, so yesterday I think we were at 71. Right now we're at 69. So we went down a bit, and Yeah, I think also mentioned yesterday, since Bitcoin was dipping yesterday, I'm expecting that that this will go down a bit. Okay, probably this went a bit further down. Uh, some when Bitcoin went to as low as 65,200 or 65,300, but uh, but it has recovered to 67,000 again, and that's why it may have gone up to 69 again. So we'll see tomorrow if uh, whether or not Bitcoin will pump 68k, or maybe it will still go down, as I'm inclined to believe. Okay, so yeah, okay, so that's for the fear and greed index, and okay, where the time has run fast. Okay, I think we are down to our last 24 minutes. So anyway, we're going to now discuss RSI. So let me pull up the chart here. So RSI. Let's zoom in on this. So as we can see, after Bitcoin hit the overbought levels, it has dipped down, and it's now at around the 60 point mark here. Okay. However, the momentum that we're seeing here is that it's still probably going to go down further, maybe to the midpoint, maybe the 50 level. So this is one of the reasons why I'm apprehensive, or I'm doubtful that Bitcoin is already going further up. So I don't think that that a reversal will be upcoming soon, or in the next few hours or few days. So at least it should at least hit this midpoint level. Okay, so if RSI will not hit this level, even if it pumps, it's probably not going to go to the levels that everyone's hoping for, which is of course the new all-time highs. Okay, so as I've said yesterday, or in the past, I'm expecting Bitcoin to dip at least a week. Okay, so we're just on the 4th day today, so maybe 3 more days. Let's see if it's going to dip, and if it dips, I'm not saying that it's going to reverse on the 7th day. The dips may last maybe around 2 weeks. Okay, and if ever it will dip 2 weeks, then we may see the RSI hit the oversold levels. Okay, where's my arrow here? So it may dip here. So if we will see a sustained dip, it may hit the oversold levels, and that's the time that I can confidently say that Bitcoin is already about to explode and maybe to hit new all-time highs. However, of course, since if you were listening to me yesterday, I'm expecting that Bitcoin is about to break out anytime soon. It's November, so I'm also cautious, and um, I'm considering that this dip of RSI, even on the 50-point mark, can already be sufficient to boost to boost Bitcoin up to new all-time highs. So the next time Bitcoin goes to the overbought levels, it may stay there for quite a while. Okay, based on historical data, of course. So if you were not able to see my explanation yesterday, just check out my video yesterday in my YouTube channel. Okay, so again, I'm waiting for Bitcoin's RSI to at least hit the 50-point mark before believing that Bitcoin will really go up. And the dips should at least go or should at least last, or dip cycle should at least be 1 week. Okay, and today it's just the 4th day of the dips. Okay, so let me measure it again. So the dip started here. Okay, and we're just 3 or 4 days in. Okay. So if you're thinking of placing your long bets right now, just can reconsider and just give Bitcoin some time to let some steam off first. Okay. So this run here, this run from this point to this point has been probably been exhaustive for Bitcoin, and it needs to settle down a bit and do some consolidation. Okay. So most analysts believe that Bitcoin will definitely make huge moves when we already see, or when a winner has already been proclaimed for the U.S. presidential election. Okay, so now let's look at our next topic, which is MACD. Okay, so MACD. If you were watching yesterday, so again, let me explain. This is the MACD line, the white line. Okay, then this yellow line is the signal line. Okay, and this line here, this is the baseline. Okay, the MACD line and the signal line are still quite far from the baseline. Okay, so okay, this MACD line, when it crosses the signal line, it's in most cases an indication that that there will be a momentum towards so since the signal line is going down, so the momentum would go downwards in the price. So this is one of the other reasons why I believe that Bitcoin's price is still on a downward trend. So so it's a good thing that Bitcoin's price recovered a bit, because if it did not recover, and if the trend continued, if the downward trend continued, then this MACD line would have crossed this signal line, and we would have seen Bitcoin's price spiral down. Okay, and if it does, then we can. I doubt, of course, I doubt it that that this the MACD will go below the baseline right now at this point. So we may still see an extended period of time when Bitcoin will still play above the baseline. Okay, like what happened here. So when was this? So this was last year. So starting last year, the MACD has not gone below the baseline. So when it went below the baseline, this is just a temporary period, and then it went back up. Okay, we may see the same movement this year. Okay. So it may just fall down a bit, and then by November it's going to start its parabolic run upwards. Okay. So anyway, what I'm expecting to happen is that the MACD line will cross this signal line soon, and we're going to see some more dips from Bitcoin. Okay, I'm not sure what macro factors will lead to that, but definitely the chart says that Bitcoin is still on its way downwards. I can't read your name. What's this? Midge Hinul. Welcome to Gate.io. You're a new user, so thanks for dropping by. Edmond Dantes. So, are we professionals already? I don't know what you mean. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to claim your red packets, or to open your red packets, and I hope you enjoy your airdrops. Okay, so for those new people in the channel, make sure to follow me in Gate.io. And if you have a YouTube account, please subscribe to my channel as well. Just search for the Permabear, and I hope that you will support it. I'm planning some things to do in the channel. Okay, when I find time, I'll put in more content there to uh, hopefully to help you guys. Okay, have a safer outlook in this space. Okay, so that's I think that's enough for our MACD discussion. Okay, again, the MACD charts say that Bitcoin is still going to go down further. Okay, so now it's time for to look at some of our altcoins, and maybe you can suggest an altcoin to me if you know some. Okay, on the top of my mind, let's look at Nero. This is one of the altcoins in Solana. So let's see the levels it is at right now. So one thing that we're going to take a look at here is the time period when they are stagnant or they're just moving sideways, or the period of accumulation. So when we see that there's a sustained accumulation period, then we're going to recommend buying into this token. Of course, this in most cases, these meme points are pump and dump. So make sure that you have an exit strategy if ever you're going to bet into this token. So right now, this token has an RSI which is close to 50, so very neutral. So we're not going to recommend to buy this token. So what we want to see is or what we want to see are levels that are oversold. So once it gets oversold or close to being oversold, that's the time we're going to recommend that you buy into it. Okay, so let's see Nero 8. So another version of this token. So yeah, almost the same. It's the midpoint of its RSI. So let's pass on it for now. Although it's how many days already? So actually, it's still not yet on a baseline. Like at this point, you see that it reached this base point from this point, and 9 days. So on the 9th day, on the 9th day, that's the time it pumped. Okay. So right now, I would say that this is still a dump. So it's just the 2nd day. So it's just the 2nd day from its lowest point. So let's take a look at let's take a look at CAT right now. I'm just skimming through these altcoins. Okay, so CAT is really very strong right now. It's on its 5th day of pumping, and it's very close to being overbought. Okay, once it hits the overbought mark, then we're going to take a look at a signal that it's already getting weak, and that's the time I'm going to recommend that you short this token. So right now we're still observing that this is still a very, very strong token. Okay, it may still have some kick left in it. Okay, it's close to all-time highs, and it's probably going to go beyond all-time highs. Okay, I'm not suggesting that you short this token as soon as it breaks through the overbought levels. Okay, once it hits the overbought levels, we wait for a confirmation signal that it's already going down. Okay, so let's take a look at maybe rats. Yeah, rats. Let's take a look at rats. I haven't seen the charts of this token for quite a while. So it's low. It's going below the neutral zone. Okay, and it's pretty sideways. So where the charts is not interesting to me at the moment. So let's take a look at SATs this time. SATs. Okay, it seems to have this similar pattern as rats. Okay, let's take a look at WIF, dog WIF hat. So WIF, okay, not interesting to me as well. The chart's not interesting. Okay, so let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe, yeah, so it's not, it's pretty neutral. Okay, Popcat. Okay, Popcat is quite strong as well. So it's also close to being overbought. Okay, we're going to keep this on our radar. Okay, so Popcat is another one which we're going to probably short in the appropriate time. So we're just going to wait for it to become overbought, and then look for signs of weakness. Okay, what else can we take a look at? So Popcat, let's try Sundown. Okay, Sandog. Okay, let's take a look at this. So it's been 2 weeks of dipping. If you trust Justin Sun, then you can probably buy this token. This has been stagnant for quite a while now. And there's a chance that it may pump soon. Okay, so this is Sundog. Okay, let's try to check on dogs. Yeah, it's pretty neutral. So I'm not going to recommend that you buy this token right now. How about hamster? So this is another one of the tokens in the Ton ecosystem that's been dipping. Yeah, just by looking at the charts, you can say that this is really very weak. Although lately it's been showing signs that it may be close to a formidable support level. So the trajectory of this token, it obviously is going down. However, it will not it will of course not go down forever. It should hit a good support zone sometime soon. As you can see, the RSI, it's very oversold, and yeah, I would suggest that you wait for a signal from Bitcoin that it's already on its way up, and I am very sure that this token will recover when Bitcoin makes its next move up next time, or probably by November. Okay, so yeah, I think that should do it for today's live stream. We've discussed all of of the items in our checklist. I hope that you enjoyed staying in the channel, and those who have not claimed their red packets yet, I hope that you claim already, and make sure to follow my channel, and I hope to see you again tomorrow, same time, 10 a.m. GMT plus 8. So stay safe, guys. Happy trading.